Hey everyone! Are you looking for a way to make some extra cash or even build a whole new income stream? What if I told you that you could earn money simply by recommending products you already love and use? It's totally possible, and it's called affiliate marketing. Think about it. You share a link to a product, like a cool gadget or a book you just read. When someone buys through your link, you get a commission. It's that simple. You don't need to create your own products, handle shipping, or deal with customer service. You just focus on sharing valuable recommendations with your audience. Whether you have a blog, a social media following, or a YouTube channel, you can start today. It's a fantastic way to monetize your passion and help people discover great products at the same time. Ready to learn more? Hit that subscribe button and I'll walk you through it step by step. Thanks for watching.